Welcome back.
Welcome back. You know how we do it.
Welcome kosi horo na zwingo nga dzine ndiduka ndisona ndi ngwana ndi wa mahunguni. Ndina duka ndila hamangala.
You know how we do with this, your boy.
Bashabi vanna vasale mbudzi, vasale ngorolwe.
Tito zina T.
Yari.
Ningasimfune.
Arari vachongori singobva nduni. Vona muzijanguluwe vabhika vabe mnangoni wangu. Angasive.
Nguluwe ningasimfune. Nela nguluwe ningasimfune. But you know how we do it. Every Tuesday we drop this thing.
Yeah, man.
You guys, how was the last episode? I know you guys are enjoying it. Keep streaming. Keep showing us love, man. Keep showing us love. Subscribe.
And commenting. I can't mention that name. Abbreviation.
Reaction.
Yeah, reaction.
Reaction. Oh, yeah.
That one. Yeah, man.
We
see you, man.
Reaction. Yeah, shout out to almost everyone Venda and push the content of Venda, man. That's what we see ya, man. We see
you cool kid. We see ya right there.
How we did
the top 10 top 10 of the tracks.
Yes, as the DJ.
Now, okay. I saw work with us. One of the tracks, maybe I get track to drop up out of the top 10. Track drops.
Okay, nice, man. Nice.
So I saw that, which is dope. Yeah, man. There's a lot of people.
Reaction. There's a lot of guys doing thing. Let's keep the content going.
These guys are not zero no conda, man. Zio come zing. Coming from man.
Zion what, ne?
Yeah,
I think I know the guy. Big up to you.
Yo, guys, please.
Okay, Zion what?
Hey,
okay, Mount Zion.
Mount Zion. You know, yeah, you're killing my tongue, man.
We see you, man. But hey, man, welcome back to another show, man.
Yeah,
We're
man.
about to give you exclusives.
Just having fun there.
Rena, udotusabana na musinga zikiriye nyana. Na matango to zikiriya.
Guidance.
Other was only kiriya.
Look at Java. Come back. We joking. Come back. We just joking. You can come back.
Won't put on the spot.
We ain't gonna do that. Yeah, man. How was the weekend, man?
Rebusangeyo.
Mararara songo diambori. Miamarera ndi just lali guru. Ndana kutanzura ngomwa papiti wapisa. Apo ritsa kushutira nda.
Mararatiz no ayo. Unaenda kuvonda kuchimira badani warotora.
Okay. Oyasene wofi ubana musi ubela duva last time utochimbira marufesa ngori ndiye netrade maka yawo. Ambara majasi. Ambara mikumba.
Atodha kushoti kwa wona ruvese.
Mara ndobona pepo ngapana.
Ambara mikumba kwa wona majasi manga.
Ati vese ndiya stage ni na.
Mama's boy yowe ani weekend thoro kudzapa. Bege ya lusi weekend.
As usual bra. Awona zichaluko.
Ne?
Yeah, je yavezona last week izuko difana na zvo.
Sharp.
Yeah, nditofoka vapedzinga dzi message dzina ndikudziwana kama neganga vako re life yayo ngoro good way vege pero ntosadhuro ita yamini maybe vangandiziyamba baba uri ita yamini.
Yeah, ne. Abadoamba arabona badoamba.
Ndakuri budza mani.
Mazoli mara life yamne ba sharp. No vuone ndazonenda zone every day.
As usual, yeah.
Na dena bika na bukojana hano.
Ulanguru mna.
And ndosiyando bika na thoya one.
Na
seriously?
Padange akana ku da recipe ti.
Simazone maji vapa kuti yanyinge.
Nema. Ula na metho ya nguruve.
Ndichikopo, ifi chikopo.
Ndichikopo.
Ya kholomo ifi mini.
Still ndichikopo. Tinditho.
Yeah, nenda chikopo cha kholo.
So ini rula story ngapuri tinji.
Oh,
yendo ndiyathu.
Ai duresi the yanduri. apena zvonguluva ine aifushive aina zvinofusha nguluva ndimafura pedzi
ivona nama kola fitu
norengera
mapfura urisachadivana nama nguluva
ukobva uvhiya female mbudzi angovedana nama nanti
ndikutsaedza izvozvo zvaizviita neni
ivan nenokakangagaya kuti uri ndiyoliwa yapera
nezviyambelani uri novhiya nama yambudzi
nombuzi uri nandiganda mburi ndikunditikola nama ndikubvonda ndimbudzini
aukunda nena bullet proof naini
welcome to the show man mara zvine bontu vavakuita zvona ari kuhana balanga nga content SABC libona 30 cent balanga content balanga ikamsiba ita something chavabrata cha trenda vatu vaita mini vapona na mina so ndaona vako chingera Makhadzi bako general Makhadzi
general nawo lani unombudzana limwedzina womugeneral bani
mukosi
okay I think ndabona something about uri I think abakolwa na Lwams social media
ndulwa
whatever that was happening and yeah so pesa tonga go involve na Makhadzi ngangomu then Makhadzi ako respond uri if you know ko utazwa tuna game then go involve so I think issue between woli SABC Livhu na Lwams but at the end akadze go involve bako jensa Makhadzi ngakukati
ndo yona ndiyamini man
tifesesi Mr. Tizo if Mr. Flick bako muita
so Makhadzi go general ngore obya aba mngana wa Lwams
we mngana wa Lwams nano dziro kutotsatsina na vote
Gale obungana kuba washo obungana pezi yapera obungana
noroguma zvezo rosati vangwani kwambori orengiswa Gucci mara ndizo ri kwambo enena ngopona so I thought wabungana pedzina
atende runofonera Makhadzi rafori kukonani yaona Lwams babuhani
atikuhana you know what those guys balanga content content is key you know what I'm saying because we are living in the digital world where content is key and whatever you're doing arrange now content you need to be on the content mara hey people are not happy man vatu vokwatesa Makhadzi vamufuna vatu man Makhadzi wafuniwa man
Makhadzi tichelede
Makhadzi wafuniwa man
una vatu vane
Makhadzi
una vatu vane nditazvinoona uchikupfi hori mukotsi ya mwana vari vachibva mushumana laputanu vavo budzopfi vavuye na mugayo vari vachikupfuka vari Makhadzi ko perform ava mudumila siku ava mupfarela ha ava jena ngangomo vachivovuya ine vavuye muno hangwa mugayo wosara anenge
vovondobuzukana kana Makhadzi vantu vachina toni
avavhiringanya Makhadzi pamodzi ya makhedzi ya mugayo so nditeone vatu vafuna ngayo khadzi yashu plus she won the Kids Choice Awards
ndakuna zvone man Nickelodeon some international things
that's TV show yavana that channel yavana remember
so which means Makhadzi international as in she's international because that channel is not from here I think
it's not from
even though it's licensed under and DSTV has some rights to view that but the channel is not from here so Makhadzi she's international artist now
she's international you get that
ndinyi mwe mwimbi wa venda ane ndingabona nga ukoya international ngandama mas boy
ane anga wasaba na flop your handler Suzwawe I think namkosi she stand a chance she does have that the qualities that she can reach that level if I look at this boy ane problem ndori I'm gonna say it again record label eko mu pusha eko Michelle for too much Tukzin
okay
I think that kid if is given a platform I'm not sure because ndabona track ela yantu drop ka channel yao
drop
ana mkwaro
ana page V you drop ka channel yao so we don't know what's going on but it's being shelved a lot I think that kid if I have a chance sound yawe can dominate because na piano yawe can do like it has that kick man gives you that thing come on ngaluza Tupac kana design
inafafavumya
nifa piano
don't forget to read
na ndikomangala uri nema chimama mapiano kuita yamini
mtu nangasaba root kid
root kid the energy the focus the planning independent thinker, creativity, that kid can go far.
Romeo
Romeo the Great.
That time when we dropped that other episode, Gale, Akwambori, hey, Musukita Posho, you won't even go national. Obviously, Akwamba Fusa or you won't even go international. I'm not even involved in Venrap. I'm doing stuff which now makes sense. Because Akwambori artists they're not even Venrap. Which is true, because those artists are not doing Venrap. They're not doing Venrap, and they meet the standard national, because
they're not boxed.
Yeah, they're not boxed. They're not boxed. Because they're doing that. So that's why I was asking, what makes an artist or abe national? Can you still do Venrap and still be?
Yeah. You can do Venrap and still go national or international.
Is
the
problem
we have, we keep releasing good music, not great or dope hits. Because if you want to go, if you want to get into a new market, if you're gonna release good music, let's say it's a Venrap, you're releasing it to your fans, and then other people that are gonna listen to your music, these hip hop fans.
Yeah,
they're gonna listen to that. Yeah, man, there's that guy or so and so. But there's a bigger market, or no richer market. You need that hit. Come on, you need that solid.
Mara, do you still need to be singing and rapping like a venda? Kana you need to switch. You don't even need that. You don't even have to switch the language.
Yeah. Because okay, wherever I have been, when we play music what you vend, people always ask you, where can we find this music? Come on, they like the flow.
Yeah.
Ladies love how, like when we do our flow and stuff. The problem, remember, most of us, back then, when Venrap was still Venrap hardcore.
Yeah, when we first started,
we released so many hits, but people were just releasing music. They were not looking at trying to get on top. Come on. If some of those tracks were released now, you can tell that we got a long time ago. Right now, we just...
Those songs, if they were released now, they're going to be...
That's what I keep telling you about this new generation, the track that dropped by Paul. That music video was not pushed enough. For me, I look at it like, if that music video had landed on TV... I'm going to push it in. If that music video is very nice. If that music video had landed on TV, the time when the song was still like dominating, it was gonna flow together.
Yeah.
It was gonna give it a more extension. But now you're dropping a music video like, let's say months later. That time you dropping that music, you already drop another track and you drop another music video maybe. Now your things.
The same thing as Tam. I know you always talk about Tam.
I didn't even want to talk about it now because that shit.
Mara, what I know, there's a video which is sitting somewhere. Which your Jiwa, because Kuvikid is
signed and
endorsed by Munada, or endorsed Munada, King Munada. So there's some work which were done there. According to that song, based on that song, I mean, Mara, I think they're waiting for just great time, perfect time to release whatever they want to release.
Okay, the music video, if it drops and you get airplay on TV, it will push it. But it will get more different fans, like new fans. But which it will no longer have. It will no longer be important, man.
You were in that moment.
It won't have that thing. Because the song already there's so many songs.
That video,
you saw it?
I don't know him or her.
Is him?
Oh, it does on Achubulamaruku. The song is him or Bulamaruku. It does on.
Ne Bulamaruku no marashipeni ini no geranga pa murauya si raunda.
The image is the Rambaran verse.
The
image, the image. Mara, what I was saying is international. We need more artists.
We need
Robona Twat. TV. Does that mean Uri is going international? Is going national?
Not yet.
No.
It means that you got an interview, and when you get that interview, you gotta ride on it.
Yeah.
If you don't ride
on it.
Mama's
boy.
Woo!
No Boga TV. Yeah, Morning Live. Only Ambar, the Shmana Mama's boy, Rita Kwayara. The what grandstand
Mama's boy.
Bless them all.
Bless them all.
You know what I mean?
Huh?
What do you mean?
No, anything I'm going to try.
I shot this video.
Mara Networks, I think he didn't leave anyone who played a part of him being a performer na Mudipo.
Mudipo? Yeah. My work was on TV. No, besides that, I was there when we constructed the song. We worked on the song from scratch.
So which means you are an executive producer.
It was me, it was him, it was Gera, and then came a beat.
Oh, get it out.
That track was done by Gera.
Gera, you good.
I mean, like, I remember Grand was supposed to have a verse there.
Karigay.
Yeah, I was supposed to. No, we were trying to change. It was not the song, not that regular. When we started, the song was not like.
I don't want to beat
I was supposed to have a verse. I don't do verses.
AsapRocky freestyler.
I can't rap, guys.
Just try, man.
Okay.
I better for you are a father of freestyle.
Aye.
Don't know you.
Aye, never. Nix.
No goes around for freestyle and Brian.
Marabos, the other home. Freestyle. I choose with what the other. But
I'm proud, man. He's going. And then the fact that he performed that song, man. It tells you, you didn't just help there. You did something there.
Give him the flowers.
I'm giving him the flowers. There's one thing I know, but yeah, we have a PCC at Chimbarek.
I'm the one I'm sorry. Never to a gospel into many. Yes, now I can give music. You good, yeah.
Never to another before with Diambori. That's why in gospel and by his they don't understand your talent is there. And if you can use it, go for it. Because your Snoop Dogg moved and do reggae, everybody was happy. Just because Netwazi reggae kumpanga.
At Drake some point or it reggae.
Yeah, because it pushes him.
Mama's boy was once singing gospel.
Yeah?
No, it's not gospel. No. Upi choir reggae. Nini now in the end na Netwazi. Yeah, national la choir. If you mean the choir,
bless them all. It's fine.
If you mean
bless them all.
National mean bless them all. What?
And you had soul healers.
Oh. No, so healers is me and Networks.
So healers.
Yeah.
Should we expect an album?
Yeah?
In the album can
yeah, an album in a It's pending now. It's pending.
Okay.
But the track is not the maybe the Rosala not track in Tikana album is complete.
Yeah.
Okay, we're waiting. Wako mufa producer wacho muvelezi muna mushumi unodzira nge murau ane vako tevedza zvitu. Vako zvifamisa.
Who would you tiri?
Tiri.
Mama vatu vako takara ma.
Who would you know?
Abendo ufanele mwe audio la muno jina radio niti. Vachikombora noko kumedzisa.
No. It is not. Je vais correr. Ena mandichini funa ndiani.
Wani ngoro havedza viu.
Sora.
Hechigi, ado sora nyana. Hechigi, ado tomato sora.
NFF.
Hechigi, fuwetia.
Hechigi also kubona lefula NFF yabulani watu bachiku amba nepolo bakokhomela ka social media bakwambori hey bona wako da show rina vavavum akho basera vavavum ola muthu wafundwa chidzumbe na tuda
mumvelezi ngabo stirunga po mvelezi
NFF nendichito zvisetse zozvo vatu vachifuna muthu bafuna muthu nduri namsi mvura ichikuuna ningadiri nikontsira murunzi nokho ngwana
namsi kouna
namsi mvura ikuuna nikontsira murunzi ndidhuvani tizino ndonzira murunzi utofunwa muthu womuthu otuwa okay program ndiyene ambazipele zvina pa utofunwa
zvambori vatu vamutakala zvine vakoita
zvene abazone
ila voice ritambe kana ririche
ila voice not yodira fera nyare
ritambe
aritamba nyana
deta matitisa konzi nyana rife
hi
gori apiri kodivona ro ngombofunga gona zvino
ndinze ndaya nini
afunga gona zvino zvitereke
ngotereka lofe
fudo tarekela radio
yeah
ula umenenge
ufuna nika uright kodira dzi R&B
ndonitsendrisa
uright yange kama blues
mara kuza oyo yapi o muthu nakofika otodza aba ashumana hatu
ashumana we muthu
hatuda ula ufundwa chidzumbeni
utodo bada
hey aripya panoni
hey
Raro echitombo odza TV yako ngwachachiko aditobaliriwa kaona kumwitiwa maka mtwana uone kwa acha kasande maiki otobidiwa ne kwa watakana na one naye vamuviga varuna muchipala ono mutana no chivere ono no kuda dina longa watije kwendelo kana sona na no kubuda acha ndi bikudu samuri wakato weya umwe vokana umwe mngano wavokana umwe watu kuchipo umwe nako shuma vambiri ndi mushumoni kiatu ngabona mtane bako niko umutora kudra umtora konini mara wote advete paka pala urikunyaka mwacha ndo acha kama jironi uichitimba disebo na mtu ajidavuri ujabo kudra buja mtu wao nako dala machero mtana ngati ukona mwacha wala mtu romantic mtu tamba dinimba dawa mselen dione omekal botoni dore watu wone tamachone wana matiwa na kama pia ya mishumoni na dai wote na mijolo wakona waka mateko na wako vuli samuya wako edira babudi wako medisa ni mtu kama mateko na mtu kwa edira akimtoa machoni wako kwa wege rikodi mtajiri sula mtu ukaba ngode dibigo uko balidi uwatara chinga akoni budo kota bizo kinisi yawe
ya ndutana mushumi zo kake ezvo muna zvamba netikozvisupport
mutechelesi
tikomusupport ukotsitsa mwachimuya nishuma hani nitikupfaya mapungwa kwambo hapa
ndingori vane vari muna holotuwisiwa otsitswa muya ovaisiwa
one vagorira
vatechelesi vakulira
mara
so rilibva hani hili pungo
namara ifan ndaibva ingodzibendirai mapungo asiyona nokuhambira don't ndivhurere kasho yashuma ndichini ndikuvhurira kasho mamurova wanangotamba Chelsea na Madrid ongwana manene yakoini wotamba Chelsea na Madrid Madrid yemodzi wina ongwana Madrid chiwina uyena karadio uri Chelsea yowina munova
angokaka mubveredzi yamwara suzona
mubveredzi angochinja
mubveredzi ndinona mutini
zvino oinoni muwane yakofinene ukovaliswa mafungo ovakohasha bhora
ndamubva pampepi tanketi tangendi ndiva mutonomba kapanikirike hambendi kapanegerere tangendi
ini uri katare ndeviriziwe radio rinizvino zvisumba Kandara to the Venrap Radio.
Tabaregere.
Asiride orji. Rokobuti batanyisa bagumkora. Okwamba bakungora. Washukora. Ubara mafungo.
Ndazifunda so bathu bagumura vachiri omuna ukona badi uamba za mitambo.
Mara.
Uchidaka fungo.
La Yesu za mafungo.
Zobara mafungo. Hai.
Tabaregere. Pampeti. Baregere. Naneti.
Kezu nyomsombra ngona fungo. Pala korosoni ya pala hojena pala hambudiwana na vitu zwa so ngantani habo hey
abanga bana mu usoni tsaduru ndulusumu
kwamba ngoni right vamwe vatu vanga dilibona na tsadurweni
mu usoni tsaduru ndulusumbela ngivi
tateti tabaregere Twitter podcast Ufiola munhu ufuna asikuita mafungo so.
Notasa kubara mafungo. Ai, azitozi kotobuya.
Mara nyadzori na asikora mafungo. Ari unodhowara chitu, ona mtu unodhowara.
No, ndi tell maka ya.
Imagine vakunisa, imagine momashige vachikopariso mafungo kana muchinyani. Arembuluwane palapari amadifarwa. Arachitua. Amaro tsitsa.
Ninga mafungo.
Omntu kodovara mafungo ti. Mara zvino eno kumbura stadium. Arembuluwane pala upya mbodi richigede. Achijiga mbodi bako tuncha. Zvino ngoibono
zamuru makakana vana.
Asoyo mo.
No, ndikomana ngona akobara mafungo ti. Ari ndiri zamuruma. Ukongontana rambori ukwambobva chigevenga chitunjiwa ene zvinokobara pala kuti zamuru omuna za stadium
ndinyewa zamuru masimbedzi
azekibedzi
ara no le uchiro isuzkorai
napo chipi isingokora mntana bayokora mara ngoma mafungo ne KZN man KZN even now when we're shooting this one it's raining here where we are engaba rivenda kana rijozi
kana
mara unira baone iko
kana ri northwest
kana vura iko kana rimpumalanga
ila video yenda ibona
and rozula so ngobona mina pa nozula so asithabeni
kubona thawa mira
ndipilipili lo zithawa
ndikubona nala madito mdaka sala tonga rapha mi mine
ithawa so ringaba rimpumalanga kana rigayi mara ndikubona thaba rozula so topolanga ngeini mara KZN
mara there's something that very disappointing
chila chitu cho chikepenyana zila ncho ngochibona ndizvo kumari KZN pala petu kana vakoto prank nyana
zvoda mi
ndoibona video yaonana kana ka TikTok yabeona
vakona zotamba ndobona na mungona manantu
akochimira stratani nga chila chitu
hayi iklani chimwe maybe ndine video yakale nene ndinotibona I don't think
that's why we're saying that social media is dangerous
but again ndobona vakoluta
asichelo zandalezo su
yes
mara ngobipa
na feminist
mara doesn't what you loot bra azvino what you loot ari ngobipa
they were looting imagine ngangoma ngoluta na rinchi no jina ngomshoponi shopoli yapa na rinchi ngobvana na shopu no kumbiwa lono imange
lono wateni mita
zawe because unazi landslide yapala petu dzinza kuiteya
landslide musi mavua yachibva apa aya apa
and you need to understand I think chimwe chimwanyisedza vathu vakale ngamanda ane vava mahayani na mini the reason vachipata ni wana papata petu une madhi achidai ni wana nduri adona mbato tuwari is rare madhi aime
or nakare baba chito waitira mwezi woni vanene
ani wana kana akadona mara yona ngorala isa KZN una midalo na palati but ni wana ri gori vashumisa matombo na mopata ni wana madhi most ni wana ri abva nado divao namsana ko unamarai nasinga sikono ri uboto bipangora winonga 2000 rodibora landslide bonjerere ani
kaizo no pata
tabana so muva so zinjibadi
no pata tabane so ne arali madhi abakotsanga hapo obvious comes na mukera madhi aba manji
akona mavu
ala mavu achila mavu asika petwe une angopatiwa pasi achilebe chakhe na pata chone obvious your house needs to move
unalanda ibonela ndoto ibonela nine ya double storm ino veko na matando sombezero wait
ndo
so someone wari ndo munonga rikana la pito tanga roto terura mavuri la mdi Julia planta. So man, it's bad. KZN.
The government said
one thing is just that I don't understand, but people pray for KZN, pray for who? What is the prayer gonna do if you're taking charge or you stand up and do something?
No, Mara, you can't be against people who believe.
No, the problem the problem that come on the so okay, Rabiranta went something because we end up saying
no, Mara,
pray for
most people. They can't do anything. All they can do is just to pray.
R1
Can you donate 1 rand? You can't even donate. You can't even donate. Mara, the prayer is something that anyone can give without effortless. That's why I pray.
That's why people.
That's
why you're taking videos on TikTok praying. Until ndichibona zori kuita mini la torano kuvenda
ndiye rand inakoyambura kariso KZN
aisinoisa
ya hope ndatezo ngo tiboni usukofika kuiswa akazo into mara venda tibona kuona kuiswa petu venda
paisa
ga venda
puchiri dziriwo ga hospital zva isi uzu
chiri dzini ngadini ninkomba hora house
zaisi uzu zitu
chiri dzini hora house
kuisa kula petu
zaisi uzu zitu mara ndikwambore the most thing that a person can do, prayer, it doesn't give you an effort to eat. No, I can't pray in vain. I can't pray in vain. I can't pray in vain. Yes,
okay.
You don't know if I prayed or not.
Okay. I think we need to take more action than for that.
The government needs to do something.
The government, the churches, these big churches, that's donation in G. Now, what about something, man?
I think they're doing gift of givers. They're doing something.
Yeah, those are always.
And do you know how much the government takes tax from your salary?
Do
you know that they must do something because they're taking that money from us?
Can we not talk about tax?
They must do something. Yes, they must do something.
Thank you, Daniel.
Do you know how much tax is taking from your salary? That's what Bashir. That's what Bashir. But Wofuma and what you may have a 9 to 5.
Okay.
Yeah. Those are the people who are rich. If you work 9 to 5, the government won't let you go, my guy.
They'll chow your money.
The reason why my Somalia, my mini, those guys will keep having money because they have. There's no tax. There's no tax. They will give the owner of the stand 2,000 every month. When I tell 30,000
a month.
A month. By the person to but every month they're making more money. You are just happy because you're getting that 2,000 or 1,000. You get what I'm saying? Another thing, I think Rivera's best, but to Boborine are supported in Nabisa Nigeria and Nabisa Somalia, Spazani, Nedashpaza Chanuin. Mama's boy or chance. We have talked about those things a lot.
This is how you do it now. Now Pazai, into the Kanam Venda, Sakuna Venda Zobudi, Natorene, but the Bonogara, what the Bacharenga, and then go during the charm.
Yeah. But Josie,
what the number? What the Nico Batavanuna Zino, when they teach Tavanuna Zino, I'm Venda.
Yeah. So you try to Changani Chow.
So, KZN, the government needs to do stuff. Mara,
they will still the moment they let you Jeredofi. They are disaster mini. Okoranga Range Rover.
Ucheka zoro kupatiwana. Ango zoni ne chede ya renga uzocheka zokuphatwa masura ngozo ndiye nechede yareka ngayo
le podcast ndiko device Dino.
Mara ningo.
Unoziva sipezo zori
una birthday ino ninokuva ne birthday nerabva ngai Gale chinkapa chipinga shinji ya pano pasi amaponya. Yela birthday zvo from lockdown chitotoma. Yela birthday yo crack ngorana. Yo be yatoita mulindi ayikurugisiwa. Ende zvomuri shedo na ioni.
Ya venda ndo unolanga nge.
Hey mara shara.
Ile venda
Puna Maria road is open.
Cost something about
17.5 million something like that.
Urugisela bada.
Very year 6 months or something like that. Yeah. 80 was in. Mara 80 was in.
Mara do you believe a chede kwambo you spend wabewe 70 million?
Mara we spend
70 meter.
70.
And Abela is one of the national roads. You get what I'm saying?
I'm hoping ngapasi apla namsuna mavu namsimbura yana anga dokumbiwa ya dower vojo.
Ore ndachi ndiko yani ngapa ndiko yengo yani ngapa nchiri. Babo vana pala pala.
If not mana ene batisa hani abangovana ngina muthu muni. Bwana ndi chanfuna jena.
Natuna jena.
Nichisuka phanda oh. Yo very.
Ndire yo
very. Hey ngati zamani chia are nisina petrol ni urini ivena petrol zokonda badi musi ndi pala garage yavezi.
Ha
garage yavezi wabose garage.
Una garage imwe apa Phangami.
Yeah,
Phangami.
Who's Phangami man?
Panda ndi pala thando apply
pasinga. Apa moloni.
namuserena badi ngapla manini ti najikana
ione imwe nofana
una imwe garage ngapa pasi ngapa so nyasikono jena on.
Wacho konoshene ne pala.
Yeah.
Mara ari ndo vanga zamangobe.
Zipi. Samangobe zipi.
Atini awovhalwa pala nichitobva muloni nichikotoma yapangami wovhalwa isi chishimela pada. Una garage apukata pangami natapa nimora.
There's 2 garages.
Atukambele sekilini. Vatu vakushira sekilini.
Who's sekilini?
Una
garage
manini. No ndikubuza mponjerere manje.
Rukuta plelela mdo. Una garage tawani molo. Halipo tawani molo una garage hapa.
Una garage nga hangi manini.
Same road
yavevhaliwa.
Verenge mara bovara after garage.
Mara if you ni
abovara before garage.
Otena garage zininga cheda khadzo.
A-Reece phanda namshumo.
Umnuzula njelele ndwango muna.
Rozwera mntu njelele. Umntu totonga mini. Ndola kozamu understand zonga ngeno kutonga bullet kutonga ku bulletproof kwa Sabc Livhu kojula.
Stomach out.
Nona mtoro nga stomach out. Ufi jambo zabu divari. Mwana nyana orwanga kukipa kunei.
Poshiba mudaza bomurengera nani kaboka. Poshiba mudaza bomurengera
na stomach.
Poshiba mudaza. Ndio matreke wewe.
Odia ufino kwamba right. Kusiena buruku mko. Given. Ola ngono fore ngula kukipai. Kusiena buruku mko pore.
Zambore chikipa. No, ndi Jumeli. Akuswiki. So Sabc Livhu odianga bulletproof kune. Arwa mutwincha abalisha abarwa.
Nikwasweka. Nopa. Government ikwamba jiri urukisa dzibada. Bari their most focused priority now nurukisa bada za national angi KZN.
Yeah, which is
so,
business line.
Yeah, une business ikonoswika. Mara za hapo staratani tono hangwa.
Badurukisa
wana ni bara, ni wane mavu, ni file ndabasha.
Ni wane vula bado kanamera wapasa zibondo na ziranda rachikupira
chikotadzi. And the other one mara wala banda neti dzulingane pala mara abarika banyanga 200. Tudzulingane pa. Awubvise kone munzula ngane.
No, mara nokopira kene bada ene bakuyishuma ati.
Mama asibakumonde wafuna. Una vane niyabona progress evaidisa. Hapa la petu. Ngori niyabona petu wana lipoto holu. Linei. Riva raro ya general araso. 1, 2, 3.
Acha photo holu.
Ragana mangangom. Now those guys every time ba make sure it's right.
Yeah.
And ara namsimbura yona baya bata mini badwa bayifukeza futhi ngobona. So I feel they deserve something. Ara ndopfuka na wana wow ndopfuka apa petu ngamachironi uso. Nikobuya zvino ofiliwa u right. Why not?
Yemuna ndisinde mofuna bathu mshundi. Namsona bana bakumwayana ngika silangudo nje.
Songo jena kaezo.
Atingaswiki asinne. Ndorozere ndamini. Nemo baramuna ngandira bugwende ni bangasado bamwayana.
Odi amen.
amudi awona kundrana yo fedze ba ngo renga yo juice amudi
Role coffee masina chede ya coffee efedze ndira.
coffee chede ya coffee havela kunarwa ba korela coffee yabo amudi je kundrana rai nisongo tona kubazana zwa useless iye nrenga yano
Abo ndo yakuma. Serious.
Na asinengela munhu akupfuka phela wantu wale out. Wokuro zvitonga rendine. Yeah, mara korona zo serious bokugidima like serious like really serious.
So una watu unokono
So that guy amodi die mamra wanga
utsima mlilo
ngale out amodi bakwamba na bari hey zvitiwe zo zwithu.
chirwera nyenyenyenyenye nrenga
Na mali bless.
Sin
Nikana bless.
Gale out
Bless.
Gale out yali Audi yomodi daddy me babura wanga.
Obza guy wale out.
ndicho kupedza atino coffee yabo ita choko
Ita choko.
no kanga chedi yako baba kolera onwa coffee ya mumwe yawe ichikopera ndi obviously no rwera ngo ikopera uchana imwe
I return rand.
arani songo
The bribe kana ndiminezo. As bribe.
makhurutman manembo rubana ngomwayana ni adiura
Aifane na mtsingu ngopa ma traffic.
ya traffic inga imwe ndira zvo
Ito yegonyanyana.
Ito yogonyanyana.
Asko dringeyo.
Ya wiko dako dringi. Baba to dance.
atini pe 20 rand ndo for 200
Uyibonisa. Uyibonisa.
Ava vatu tongariza zvino avaketo dava to da groza.
abachato da ya cold
Dringi ngore ara vachikorela muna
Akesa utorenga grocery nyana.
mara mumadzofuna vakubva kuiswa koti wosenga.
Amafungo dia guy tikubenda.
Atunga kolodoro dia gamera alafu madzofuna
Di
kukudziswa.
video.
Yeah, una video ona mazokombori hola muna wa insult mapolisa uko insult mapolisa ngori akungo bribe polisa 190 and zvakuti kuti na 3000
guy.
musenge 3000 oyibonisani guri nemuntu uri chipachini cha munhu uri chipachini ro chitedzanga mato so
atongare wako bribe wa murwana mapolisa wa
mafindi bondu bai ayi ndikone bande bondu
wa traffic
Ngokumbudza
ngari
ndiri
wa road
ndifikile mbalo.
ava bribe afikile
ndo mfumakadzi
asifikile
Kamsi asi.
ndimono kandi wa provincial mfumakadzi wako bribe yene so zvakuti wala mfumakadzi ukori hot yebo mpa 3000 not 190
zvomari ukaita ne bribe undu
wala mfumakadzi loko vara kwambela plakati
Anyanga guy.
3000 wanda kupwa
musenga ndiori bribe ina game on
I don't think so.
okay arivali
Mara
avela mtu okakea mumbuluni
ufuna vakokudziswa zvakudzira tumaona wadagara TV ni watobudza uri audibudza taje 190 na 3000 different guy one
Asiya,
3000
asiya wakuripiwa
Ngokumbudza mundu.
ngozi chivera kutohora futhi
Ndikobva ndikuri. Ndikoyera po Jamestown nganinge ndikuchimbira. Masina lapha na truck apa la ni. Hola muna otora.
nga ese
Ofia. Do you know colors? Na diba red.
buri kupira robot
Afina diba red.
amusi
Diba red. And then petu ota bichu kende machifenda ati. Skondar. Nda bari min face. Utangana mini apit. Are. Musu papela wena la. Uyazi red. What? Ubovu. What?
wezi move
Uyazi ubovu. Ish. Para no pera red apa. Angotwambesa. Utori dani ringwari. Angotwambesa. Ndadzikanyana. Ukotoma dana zitori. Dara nyanga something.
yene pala
Dara ne ke license yanga abangware basawanga. Ndibari nibwe bar 1.2 dara ande bade abangware. Tachina shi. Tachina shi. Dara pasa awete mshimo wabo abangware.
pira
Tiko hana ndo pira
vamwale
tachina shi. Tua. Sikatoba.
lenje
Sikatoba.
vagiza
So ngwana. Abangware.
inonkani lenje le
Hawu bafwe. Unonenkani lo. Ira basa abangwake license abangware. Ndo pira tiko hana abangware.
nandikotenda mlandu
Abangware ndo pira tiko hana.
nenazo ndimwalelwa mini vanyimisa apa
Nemapanda.
nemaroboto onenge ngona nige roboto dzika ange
uri vanhu vodhavana
Panda.
ndadzura atodamina imakorogoni
Abangware. Tikiti ndo ibade. Ndibabari.
vanhu viri arurambavo
Ne bribe
ngona kuti munofuna rumwe imba ka freeway ubalera lezi bribe dzako so anomina mufa
bribe tifuni
ani misa hapa kokozane kana distance ndapfu
atewele
udolotevera kuti chimbira ndi achisvika ti aone chimwe chimwe right nikoto zvioneni
ndikambari tikiti ndeibhadhaira
kana hangwa
ndo wangu ndo doya band ndo yangu
kana hangwa
ndiko ndo yonga zona ndikothera gulu rembe na tikiti
nana zomwe ndigano ndo ndikuone wacheria pala stop sign
wacheria vadzula vaone
nuno apa nuno muthu dzaka gole yawe
asingodzana mfumo
hayi nitori etara
wacheria pala zvino vadzula vaone
na pala masara
ari ndapira ngori kodzaka gulu yawe ande maybe no inform those
anengadodiwa oyambara inform anengadivi zori gole ndiye wena kandi yamina di unmarked tuna zingo
as gore yasiyawo ne mushumo bako gole dzine adzina
azina zvitembe zvitikeva zva
mushumo
okay
etara
wapiyo
ai mapa
ndarandotambudza
hadana re basa ke license abangware you're doing your job azoneka abangware ara 1.2 yes 1.2 right but nah bad nah 1.2
200 ido yaka 50
200 sticky
don't need to resign
sticky abeni kitinjina zoni rwaga ijozi ka camera da badani hapa aningasiro dikitinga wakabana wa film
and
it's rwaga camera
and there's contest azingunara hai
ningaziyamba
angodam angosvika
mara nichoita license yake kana nchorinywa mini badoni fara badoni wana
abanga mpini
ani piu sans na inikezo no rengo piu
andiwana
ne wana badera
ndakwenda ndako astiki ndasokwenda license ndakothera gururi
utira guru ne badisa tikiti
yeah this gururi ara gururi tikiti
ndakwenda change of ownership ndakwenda change of
uyu kweta zvimwe
change of ownership which they then disc so
case yeah mara urinwa disc license hai disc ya ani chelisiyo avacheki zoni nabugaya kana
notsvagaya notamini mara nanomuza kuti dzitobuya uri madhuna alafu mungadzi varofungula munhu akamuzetlisa wafa 3000 the way wakwamba ngayo
mara 3000
kuivonisa
ape 3000 ni muholo womunhu wa mwedzi
grocery rende ndi transport
ndakeresana mwana chechikuru
vona
kavati vataruchedzere 3000 yavuri wai vakoda 3000 ya bribe
ukuitianika AsapRocky riyana ufukuchita
ndovona vakotrenda chifi volichana ngori onala kuchita na nyinyi next thing later on ufi azvone tawana mafungonetsotangana later on mlova otrenda vachikwambura sizvone uri earlier on vakutrenda vachirendi zvone vakurobhika mafungo akamusa
vakoda tension yashu
ritori kuvagidima
mwana oyo mwana navakuposta changa chihokonyana chifinikona wari hano
vakurokora nyazadiwa yonikora badi
oposta mwana
ona chihokonya
unless onodiva naye ngori nyazola vati vakoneta mini you can check una card bina vamwe ti ala vatu vava na vana nawana tichamuvoona yari 2-3 months 4 months ambodifi obeba na unorola mwana onodibebiwa 2 months back 3 months back mara vadovuya kamedia kana vaintroduce kamedia Beyonce angofi achiva nematwinsi asingoda public onobeba onodibeba so ala vatu vakonobeba niwonori pokoda tv nikubiya mediani
corona ichehone
yeah so niwona uri mutu ukoya ubiya kamedia onodibeba
vana vaonekana mwana unovana 3 to 4 months
yeah utovori in those jori la mwana obegwa lini kanti ola mwana obegwa 2 months back kobona so vona ndira dzavo dzita zvavo utovori ini ndo tododita vona mazina na vanhu vori ndabeba ningopost kanti mwana olano mubvisa no post ukaro beba
unotuso
ara vachitusa
tusa zibva religion kana ka belief
no vana dzavo
ne vanga vana Naomi yahone vachijena kereke ya ZCC kana vachijena ya Shembe kana ne vana nga vatotusiwa
bonani hala vatu vana tamini ni yabona mini sama black man vafuna kuona zotakura mwana vamisa muyani vamberera madzina na mini
Mufasa.
Yeah, that's no what Mufasa. That thing, when I first found about it, it was done by the first black Americans. See, I don't know if in this one is meaning to go better than two. Akwambori. Hala watu wa juapa no bachanga hanke. Bola wo juapa. Hala watu ndibone bachiriba kwita suzwa wachiriba chitani busiku yi. Tuba nele zidova bachikova kubidzela nele zidova kwambelera mwana ori katanganidzwe ngaba hawo. So it was the way of doing their own thing. So we all have different ways of doing things.
Ancestors.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mitupo.
So ngamba so.
Mitupo is serious. Ngasibe mwana chifanias na mitupo. Kwamba mitupo ndiye ni serious. Serious.
Nabezwa mitupo ndo tomozidiva 3 to 4 years back. Zori mitupo ndibinda za divi ndo tomatoro kuzonga mukomana wanga uri mitupo hauna ndi huyo. Ndandizazidivi mara ndisangani kudzi. Hey, ndo sayesa ndizira hiti.
Ndiambo zori mutupo shagori domsayasa yado.
Ndita ndado.
Arbekaso.
Una vuelta ndita ndito. Una Korea. Ndizo comedy na mshumuni.
Ndikukomba chitu.
Mara manga. Ao lady again. Wewe ni Korea.
Atukomba chitu. Atukomba chitu. Komba lokuzwa. Mara bona. Arali Elon Musk arenga Twitter. What do you think is going to happen?
Elon Musk arenga Twitter, ne? I think there's nothing you can change, man. Because Twitter as it is now is efficient. Twitter as it is now is doing what it's supposed to do.
Yeah.
The only thing that you can change is to maybe introduce new functionalities, change how some stuff are done. Mara, you can't change the core of Twitter.
The brain,
Twitter,
the
you
soul.
get what I'm saying? You can't change the brain of Twitter. You can't change it.
And you need to be aware. The same
Can't
people
change
that you'll be owning that Twitter.
And I think he's just buying shares, man. Just buying some of the shares.
But I think
sure.
on the 41B, he was saying that he wanted to buy the whole thing with the 41B.
He can, but there's nothing he can do. If he buy Twitter, just expect that we'll see more of Tesla.
He wants to use more, market his work.
Yeah.
Put his work into people's face.
Yes, that's what he wants to do. Unyongopanga suzinaita zone muna mumwe udodzwa kuzvibona. You get what I'm saying? Because it's expensive to pay for advertisers. To advertise on Facebook or whatever, it's expensive. And what's the good way of doing it? You buy the platform, you're still making money off the platform, and you
put your stuff
for free. You're putting your stuff for free. You get what I'm saying? Because Elon Musk is all about technology, man. It's all about technology and it's all about pushing his things.
Yeah.
So if he buys that, it will be for his own benefit of making sure that whatever he's doing, so market it with right, and more of that will be just to say, hey, this is Twitter now. It's no longer maybe Jivura do me Tesla can I mean wanna sa Facebook Jivura Meta so the same thing. Mara behind the scene, obviously behind the scene, you can't fire everyone who's doing that thing. They know this is they're the core of the Twitter. They're the core of Twitter. That's why I'm saying that it's simple to buy shares and still keep other people who are the core of the business. Yeah. Business 101. That's what
you got that.
You now. That's what I'm giving you now. So I think of faces. But Elon Musk, he's always stunt. I mean. But
yeah, man. So I think it's a good move. I think it's he's a smart guy who makes move. Yeah. I mean, like if we look at like the same guy like we have like Casper. Casper can plug anything and it markets itself. Yeah. He always makes people attack him to pull his brand up. And people think like saying whatever you're saying on social media, you kind of taking him out. Can't you actually moving
like his fight with Nat Music?
Nat Music, they made a lot of money.
Yeah, definitely, man.
Who'd ever thought the whole of Africa will be watching that boxing?
They were watching, and it was on the national TV, DSTV, to say.
When last did you watch proper boxing on TV? But those guys, they were fighting like they're fighting wrestling, man.
Mara tino
I think they had a warm up. No, they had pre-fight maybe.
Kaspanga the nari.
I don't know. I think of like
none fight.
No, I want to prepare. You don't already so what done. Those guys, ne? I think that's what the inside of the gloves most bruise, and permanent damage. Wrestling, I beat ya. So yeah, kind of thing. But
it's all about business.
It was business move. Big up to Kespa. You made a major move. You made money.
Business. I think
business minded that guy.
Kespa and Tilly. Tilly is his manager. That guy Tilly, I respect Tilly. Big time. Tilly have always been the guy with the brain. That guy is good.
It's good.
He's good.
So yeah, the business part of it, I think Caspanyo Vest is, but I'm not sure if he's involved. The new venture drip when bakwita perfume. The one DJs in Klena Munawawe, DJ Meda, whatever.
Meda, the nigga that does his own fashion.
The one the faces are drip perfume, fragrant. But she have a cologne. Can I mean the main? Small Caspa go kana Caspa, no Caspa una dilia of fame. So maybe it's not part of this
that whole thing.
So which means Likau is doing big, man. I don't know that perfume was not
he's making moves because what he did build the core, which is drip, your rings mateki. Now he's pushing it because onobana circle and onobana market wow. Now he's moving it, which means ningarinchirenga take ya 3,000 maybe as an example. Maranda wana perfume ngango. Which means you buying that sneaker for 3,000. It's a new release from Drip.
Niambara teki aone na dora perfume aone.
Nambara chikipa chaone.
Drip iguma kama teki pezi kana.
No, they're venturing
a lot of things.
Clothing.
Unayaba.
Una Drip. You mean retail what?
Yeah.
Retail group.
It's a whole group of bunch of things that they can do within that. So I think it's a good Chere day man. Chere day. Kaspa gwera ngorari, which means he has money to do whatever he wants to do. He can approach whoever he wants to approach. Aite Bilianto, aite the shows are so na mina.
But you know, to own a gin, it costs something like I don't know if the price have went up, but if not for 120,000. You can have your own gin. It's called bio brandy you are, your package, your perere. But doesn't include distribution.
It's up to you to distribute now.
But they can still help you with licensing to get into different stores, which I think it's another money. And then another thing, wine. I think last time I checked, the wine was 60,000.
If I Mama's boy gin, A-Reece, Mama's boy gin.
This slogan is on it.
I see the door, bro. I get you.
You can have your own gin. Mama's boy gin.
Yeah, but depending on
gin. Mara, you can take it whenever.
So look at this. So the whole thing, maybe not a wine about 60,000, but it depends again. Now I'm talking based on the knowledge I had with some of the guys that pay to innovate like people like New Town, where they do wines and what. So I think you need to have
New Town. There's almost everything that you want to do.
You can have it for 60,000.
Keep putting it as you keep a New Town. You can do a lot of things, man.
So yeah,
that's why they call it a market there. It's a marketplace, new town.
You can get things
you
there.
Can get things happening.
You got what I'm saying?
I think we are about to just close now, man. I think we've been shooting for a while.
We've been chilling here.
So before we close, there's a challenge. There's a challenge. Hey, challenge you go shaba. What's about challenge? The challenge is you know, Mara. Arife, Tora, Visa, Observimbo, an officer, Big Robza, Rufi, hello. Rimbo Honeka, YouTube, account here, Tora, Honeka. We do this, the CEO does that, Rimbo Hon is doing most, man.
And don't forget, you can win 300, 500.
Yes.
How we do this, yeah?
The competition is there. We also have Romeo or drop a music video, what jealousy.
And then don't be surprised. But yeah, man, that.
What is that?
Shut up, man. And yes, if you know him as Taratana Panawana, Munawa Dev, the Rick Ross Uone Africa. So yeah, Rick Ross is
and someone will Rick Ross
or in the country or is in the continent. If
Ari TV and Chrede. Yeah. Mara now he's starting a show on TV.
Yeah, Urunyongo Challenger 50 Cent. Because 50 Cent has been doing TV shows. Arrange the Power. Power is one of the 50 Cent ideas.
And then Ari 50 Cent own 250,000 per whole series. Per series one. Maybe the season 1 on 250,000. So in Angasta TV. Now he wanna do TV.
Yeah, he
wants
to do
TV.
TV.
These niggas they don't make you not do something.
We don't know.
Challenge
So we are introducing a challenge every episode. We introduce a challenge. Mara challenge it will be different per episode, right? So yana musi for this episode. Iri Amas boy okodoamba zinala la muimbi amba ruimbo aruimba lyrics zaone kamsilani tano liko dowolo Mama's boy kana Nema okodoamba zinala muimbi amba ruimbo aimba ruimbo raone line tano. You guys are going to be the judge. Mama's boy.
Can I do that here? Okay. Muimbene na kumunanga. Na ngimbo rimbo lwawe. Zina la ufi main Gale. Zina la rimbo. Rufi.
Chorus. Okay.
Yeah. Let me do this. Donanga ene namsindi nena ene. Donanga ene namsindi nena ene. Atungi mafimata nu.
Iko ukufura. Verse rife. Okay, Nema. Tupac and a DMX and 50 Cent. Then I go rife. Okay.
Sabc Pirates.
Okay, Sabc Pirates. Remove me.
Ndivise.
Let's go. Done.
Ndivise ni hai. Ni so kwambara boto. Hey, one.
Ibani.
Hey, mwananga. Ni so kwambara boto.
Okay.
Yeah, Africa.
Again.
So better.
Actually, me matanu.
Okay. Ne azambe bend. Mwanonga langa. Mwana mutukutu mwanonga langa. Mia obago muto.
Mwanonga langa. Ngara masiari. Mwanonga.
Okay. Simple thing. That's so. Ini kuna freestyle. Ada freestyle.
Freestyle ya konda.
Kondi. Ari.
Kamba nyimbo zinakuitiwa.
What mari?
Udo to imbo.
Tindi to mawimbi in the team rapper.
Ari.
Okay. Someone say yeah. Okay, freestyle, Ndo bloma na majita riko mbomba, riko shutana. The podcast.
Lifunisa haro.
Ndizeni kumbomba.
Okay, ari.
The bloma na majita riko mbomba. Riko shooter na podcast. The zura na Gale na Nema riko dipina. Na zwine razifuna. Oh. Yeah.
Okay, Nema.
It's you now.
Yeah. You know. Yeah. You know. Hey. Yeah. Ndopedza ngoraro. Yeah.
Ari. Dora.
Ndoro jene jengora na rwali huku la top murali.
Ai, Dora.
Ndoro piwa. Oh, lyrics dawo.
Mwimbo wote. Mudo ndo muralimbo.
Nema, let go. Let go.
Yeah, I'm not me.
Whatever it is. Kia, unazibora hapo unazikapukezi.
Okay.
Yeah.
I've been drinking this coffee. I ran out, but I now see some Dragon Balls. I wish I can just wish them back so I can have some drinks. It's time to the life that I live on the fast lane. Niggas tryna take me up, but I'm still here. If says on the car, they will do the lightning.
Poco show, Fazit. Poco show. Yo pera chale.
Ori tesa mato.
Yo pera chale.
Ai, ari challenge ko number ya fana. Msineti mutesa watu.
It's fun. This week you yeah, lyrics. Next week you do something. Today it was lyrics.
Gale una lyrics zipi ziyadzima.
Tambere katara.
Mara nini budze?
Apla
legeri.
Carnaval.
Apla legeri.
No.
Apla legeri. Ndopedza ngorari.
Push.
Ndopedza ngorari.
Yo.
Yeah.
Ndopedza ngorari.
Nikombona ndorona nga chipoti he. Ndopedza ngorari.
Hai mara. Hey, ngomurapa kali GM vana ngona ndo. Rope.
Kado ligia.
Kada diere. Ndopedza ngorari. Ha. Ndopedza ngorari. Ndopedza ngorari.
Beefy.
Yeah, vele tendo.
Don't kwani.
Vakunibudza nangamba zvino vafuna. But I do my things ngandira yanga. You can tell your own story. I'm this way. Ndopedza ngorari. Tina ndavo ndotorari.
You know how we do the top podcast every Tuesday.
We draw.
Yeah, buddy, close. Mama's boy, what do you have to say before we close?
As usual, bro.
As usual.
Guys, please subscribe.
Yeah.
Stream. Whatever it is.
Subscribe, like.
Diwane buchuroni hashu. Nichuko dibo rukhamba ngamini.
Yeah.
Ni dibe mapungu ashango.
Do the right thing.
Yeah. Subscribe, like, comment.
Yeah.
And then matu matamba, guys. Chimwe chipinga nisingodoro sumbedza uri. Uba hanu wani kana mdini wanu kana hanu nichilisani.
Chikwa chiri charity begins at home.
Ngori matamba nani kwa semana chimwe chipinga i. Asura riyaboni. That's why sikoni delete ranilicha. Riyazubona zora man. Chimwe chipinga ngamanda unongo semana mari batu majita. Wena mtu akosikolo nisema uri zwe number zone. Comes in kwamba ngamutwene na mfavor. Afilori. Wine kwamba ngahaya abakuthoma sokosemana chimwe zazo simbedza zori anongofumba nofumba so yazibona nepo hayi apa noni hayi mara yo ningazi ndiduka ndiswana ni mwana ndo amahomoni I'm hanging out na duka ndiswana ndi man Gale awona mumwe we are here
visit we do this with CO.za
check this out
to win man we out man
with the red cup gang
recording a coffee